Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to do a new unboxing video. It is called the Kinect Xbox 360 4GB. And this package came in today on August 9th. That's today. So I'll be the one to open this box and let's see what's in there. I got an easiest way to open this package. Okay. Open this shit up. There we go. Okay. We got some bubble wrap in there. Wow. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay. Here's the game Kinect Adventures. This Kinect thing. Oh. Extra power cords. We got lots of extras. Oh yeah, there's the controller. Xbox controller. Pretty cool. Last thing is the console. Okay. So, if there's any more in there, I have no clue. Okay, I will be the one to take this trash out if all the products are out of the box. Alright everybody, I already got the Xbox set up. If I turn it on, let's see what happens. And there we go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Everything's all working right now. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. And I hope you guys like this unboxing for this new video. And I hope you enjoy playing the Xbox. See you next time.